less than 10 minutes. No dire straits to run up front and figure out what the heck's going on. Excellent. And today, Artemis has a couple of friends joining her for a day sail here from Friday Harbor. That'll be our home port for this evening. Welcome, Clay and Donna.
Hi, welcome. Thanks for having us.
And we're still sailing. The head sail's doing great. Beautiful point of sail. Everyone's talking about, must be like nap 30 here coming on. I don't know. So calm and peaceful. But you know, can't leave the captain all on his own. It's not happening. Here we are. We have finally made it to Juan Island. We're going to go around it to check out the marina dock to see if there's space available to get off for a little bit. But the captain wanted me to note that we made it here under sail. Spinnaker power only. Woohoo! Awesome.
So we made it to over to James Jones. Which one is it, Kath? Jones, of course. We all know that. So anyway, boy, what a beautiful day. Had a great sail over here. The spinnaker alone, we were doing like 3 knots average. When we looked at the weather, it looked like it was going to be completely flat, but it's been amazing so far. And it's literally a Chamber of Commerce weather day out here. So pretty freaking awesome.
This video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.